Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking a project from a book that I wrote in 2011 called The Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. In that book, I made something called fabric twine. And today we are taking that twine and wrapping it around a lampshade and a lamp. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over a lamp. Use whatever you have to make this scrap fabric twine. You can use old sheets, old clothing, or fabric scraps. It's really up to you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.